Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate 2 exercises using a kettlebell. If you've never used a kettlebell before, then this is a good place to start. Please read the disclaimer first on my channel before you start either of the 2 exercises, and also do some warm-up exercises too. I'm using an 8 kilogram for this demonstration. I'm going to turn to the side and demonstrate the deadlift first without the kettlebell. With my back up straight, head and neck in line with my back, I'm going to hinge back from my hips. Breathe in, head, neck and back stay in alignment, and squeeze my glutes, straighten my legs. My feet are just slightly wider than hip distance apart. Breathe in and squeeze the glutes, straightening the legs. Join in without the kettlebell. Breathe in and snap up. Breathe in, coming up. Breathe in and breathe out. Are we ready for that kettlebell? Walk to the kettlebell, bring it just between your feet. Breathe in, reach down, take it with both hands, and come up. Keeping the back straight, we're not hyperextending. Bend the knees, and come up. So join in, and let's do 8 together. Really squeezing those glutes. 4, 2, and 1. Place it down with both hands. This is just a demonstration first. Now, double-handed swings. Feet slightly wider than hip distance apart, still keeping the neck, the head and the back all in alignment. Hinging back, we're bending the knees just enough for the kettlebell to go through. And then standing up straight, squeezing those glutes, straightening that leg, tummy pulled in. So, breathing in, hinge back and up. Breathe in, hinge back and up. Do it with me first without the kettlebell, just to get used to that movement. Okay, so now I'm going to use the kettlebell, standing about 10 inches away from it, feet facing forward. Hinge back, hold on to that kettlebell, and allowing that kettlebell just to swing here. Straighten the legs, bend and straighten. So join in with me. Let's do 8. Squeeze the glutes. 2 and 1. Bending the knees, placing the kettlebell down. That wasn't a routine, I was just demonstrating 2 exercises. In the next video, I'll show you how to do a figure of 8 and also single-handed swings. I must tell you, first, the reason why I don't wear footwear doing kettlebells. Your feet really need to feel grounded. So flat footwear is fine, but some of the trainers have a boat-like feature underneath the sole, so they can make you feel forward and back. So it's not a really good idea to wear those doing kettlebells. Either be barefoot or make sure your footwear has completely flat soles. If you found this useful, give me the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.